In today's spinning mills, manual handling means more errors, higher labor dependency, and inconsistent packing. Indo Technology eliminates all that. With the world's most advanced automation for cone handling and packing. Cones are automatically collected from Autowinders, Vortex, or rotor spinning machines, and transported seamlessly to the packing area, reducing manual movement and saving valuable floor time. At the packing zone, cones are segregated count-wise, order-wise, or article-wise, and palletized automatically, creating organized, traceable batches ready for packing. When ready for packing, cones are automatically depalletized and weighed. The smart weighing system ensures every set is within the defined tolerance. No underweight or overweight boxes ever leave your floor. Every cone passes through Cone Eye, Indo Technology's AI-based inspection system. It detects tip color, pattern, and UV shade variations, preventing mix-ups and ensuring 100% quality assurance. The inspected cones are automatically wrapped, sealed, and arranged into precise matrices, ready for the next packing format. Indo Technology's Auto Cone Pack handles every packing format with precision. For boxes, cones are automatically weighed, packed, taped, strapped, and labeled. For bags, cones are arranged layer by layer and tilted upright, ready for stitching. For pallets, cones are stacked automatically, ready for bulk handling and dispatch. One intelligent system, designed for every packing need. Every package is barcoded and fully traceable. The system connects directly to your ERP, displaying live data on production, lot-wise packing, and inspection reports. Real-time dashboards empower management with total visibility. From cone to carton, complete automation, zero errors, real-time visibility, traceability, and unmatched efficiency. Indo Technology, redefining textile automation globally.